Hello students, 12th Accountancy, Unit 6, Retirement and Death of a Partner. The last class we have learned about admission of a partner. Admission of a partner. When a new partner is admitted to the partnership firm with the willingness of all other partners, is called admission of a partner. So, what are the adjustments we did when a partner is admitted to the partnership firm? In that time, a new partner has to bring capital for the partnership firm. So, the new partner is bringing the capital for the partnership firm. Along with that, he has to bring goodwill. He has to bring the goodwill to share the reputation of the or name of the business. So, for that, he is bringing the share amount also, goodwill for the business, goodwill to the firm. The goodwill amount which is brought by the new partner, it will be shared among the existing partners, that is sacrificing partners, because A, B is a old partner. Now they are ready to admit a new partner, C. So in that time, A and B contribute from their share to C. From their part of share to C, they are contributing. That is, they are sacrificing their contribution, their share to C. So now C got the share from A and B. For that, he has to bring the goodwill. When he brought the goodwill to the firm, the goodwill amount will be distributed to the sacrificing partners. So you see here, apart from that, when a new partner is admitted, we prepared, these are the accounts. What are the accounts? One is revaluation account, because when a new partner is admitted, the existing partner's hard work it's shown on the assets and liabilities based. So you see here, when the assets and liabilities, when a new partner is admitted on that dated, it belongs to the existing partners. After admitting the new partner, if the firm is going to earn profit, mean for that the new partner can claim, but already earned profit, already brought assets and liability, that belongs to the existing partners. So we prepared the revaluation account to distribute the profit on revaluation account to the old partners, and then prepared the capital account of partners. Then we prepared the balance sheet. So these are the accounts we prepared when a new partner is admitted. The same way, when the partner is retired from the partnership firm, or when a partner is died, the same two accounts and one statement, that is revaluation account, the same procedure will be followed, and the same capital account will be prepared here also. Then balance sheet also you have to prepare. So two accounts and one statement, that is balance sheet. Now retirement. What is retirement? When a partner leave from the partnership firm, when a partner is willing to leave from the partnership firm, is called retirement. So many reasons can be there to leave the partnership firm: due to old age or illness, or partner become a lunacy, he is not able to take part in that agreement contract. For that situation, he is going to be relieved from the partnership firm. So when he is going to relieve from the partnership firm, he has to inform all other partners. With the consent of all other partners, he can relieve from the partnership firm. As well as in the partnership firm, when they admit a new partner, in that time itself, agreement period can be specified. So when the period is going to get over, the partner has to retire from the partnership firm also. Adjustment required on retirement of partner. So when a new partner is when a partner is retired from the partnership firm, what are the adjustment we have to do it? What are the adjustment you did when a new partner is admitted? When a new partner is admitted, in that time first we have to revise the assets and liabilities. The revised profit or loss, it should be shared among the old partners, first thing. Second, the new partner has to bring the capital amount. The next one, the new partner has to bring the goodwill amount also. Now the same thing we are going to do for retiring partner. When a partner is going to retire from the partnership firm, in that time first we have to revise the assets and liabilities of the partnership firm. Okay, then the profit on revaluation or loss on revaluation, that should be shared among the partners, that is including retiring partner. A, B, C, three partners are there. Now A is willing to retire from the partnership firm. In that time, before when the date of retirement, he has to they have to prepare the revaluation